Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your service with Poshmark, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Poshmark app on your mobile device or visiting the Poshmark website on your computer. Log into your Poshmark account using your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the app, tap on the icon that looks like a human silhouette in the bottom right corner. If you're on the website, click on the profile icon at the top right of the page. Scroll down and select Account Settings. Look for the option labeled Cancel Account or Close Account. If you're using the app, this option will be towards the bottom of the settings menu. On the website, it may be located in a similar section. Once you select the Cancel Account option, you may be prompted to provide a reason for leaving. Choose a reason from the list or write down your own. After providing your reason, confirm that you wish to cancel your account. You will also need to re-enter your password for verification purposes. Read through any warnings or information about what happens when you cancel your account. After you've confirmed, submit your cancellation request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account cancellation is in process. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-up information regarding your cancellation. Once you cancel, remember that your account and all its data will be permanently deleted. Make sure to download any needed information or data before completing this process. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Poshmark's customer support for assistance. Follow up to ensure that your cancellation has been processed successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.